Ne wasinga nyuma shiro. At night. Wabela walabika mwa. Aina dela mu Christmas chiro bana ino jawa nene ya. Baine ngeje wagina na decorating nga walabika bulungi. Wangamba walabika bulungi, walabika bulungi. Bulungi. Oh my days. Ah, vantage. Vous voyez, mais que ça détaille, ça ne me met pas. Il y a quelqu'un qui fait tous les samedis.
Merci.
Merci.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Ça va et vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Vous allez bien?
Ah, bien, c'est chien. Yeah.
Ah, ok. Ah, ok.
Je m'appelle.
Vous aimez bien Paris?
Ah, comment tu t'appelles?
Chakra. Tu mélanges tout. Il mélange tout.
Eh oui.
Eh oui, tu mélanges tout. Ouais, c'est vrai. Tu mélanges tout.
Oui.
T'aimes bien Paris? T'aimes bien la baguette? T'as mangé la baguette ou pas?
Wow.
Oh, mais tu as baguette, tu as moi.
Hey.
Ah, tu as goûté à composer. Sinon, tu as goûté. Tu as baguette et pain.
Ok.
But anyways, yeah. T'aimes bien Paris? Do you like Paris?
Oui.
Oui. On s'aime on TikTok. Elle est refusée moi la diva ko la ngam. Vous aimez bien Paris? Oui. Ah,
ouais. Paris.
Ouais.
Paris. Ah, tu peux pas demander pour lui. On va dire pour lui. Zengugambie pour Paris. Wakamamba mbunoli chegwego. Muganda wange. Ngabere chegwego.
Because tu numéro voilà, yeah, tu in Paris.
Kati Salama Road. Yeyo. Wano wendi. Salama Road yeyo. Kati oli gwe mulaba emabega ye manager Roger.
Manager Roger.
Oya tukwata ye manager Roger. Adono ye spice wa lero gwe ninawo.
Ah, ok. Dabo musajja. Ayagala yo coin. Laba. Wait, metro nga tujituukako. Tulina okusaba ene tudde eri. Musajja ayagala yo coin. Bana.
Nawe zinoni mama.
Ayagala yo coin omusajja.
Genda giraba.
Tukoina mu filminga. Omusajja mwe yo coin.
Sawa ni sebigere.
Bibanage. Devant même que ça détaille. Tu n'as que ça là. Wari, donc tu déli. Oshimajina tuba de ready. Ne tu sazira mutsaje watu sisa ke motoka. Ize? Ai na seafood day, mbade sila.
Ah, mba mwenade mo food day.
Ni ana matomera 3 cents. Kale, stuve, abira tomede. Louis Vuitton. Iyo.
Louis Vuitton.
LV. Yeah. I think normally when you come to Walo Dio.
Hey.
Man.
Bad man King good yo.
Na. Banange. Wabela busy.
Na ine go bangedda. Njagala nywera kama njagala nywa amazzi nga ndi mu Paris wakati.
Really?
Kati nji mu kikola. Godo chego manga wa kati gwa bimanyi.
Nga di ready. Yeah.
Nenze danga ngamba. Njagala nenywa amazzi nga nsaba mu kibuga Paris.
Wow, labayo gundi agrikiyo mfiiri. Wala wekola bye nnungi. Ngoli eno. Balabireko awo. Naye tunakola ki?
Nze nagambanga nenga bwe ndiba nsalanga oluguudo e Paris. Nja kunywanga amazzi.
Womerwa.
Kiseera kyekyo. Mundeke.
Pressure you on it.
Wano.
Yeah.
Zino restaurant zino ziba za bei ezo. Embarrassing.
You said that.
Batula waawo.
Itu. Abanaku bwoba oli munaku. Awo towunyirizaawo.
Olimba.
Totuulawo. Teweesembereza.
Kati kachayi baswa kaguza nsenenga me.
Eze euro kanga for example ka coffee akagundi baso kugamba euro nga meka. Euro nga 10 oba n'okusukawo. Basira. Oba euro 15 anyway it depends nenga kyomanya wa bei.
Olina okweberera.
Wa bei, yes. Obanga tolina mbulungi awo sire bozo.
Oliwa kachayi ak'emitwalo ena etaano.
Aka twakoze bulungi okujja n'amazzi go. Kubanga
nabitegese. Mazzi euro 10.
twagalayo coin wali.
Sina kugenda wali ebibiri. Abalabo yagala mpe ebibiri. Banansi.
Ntidu.
Balina n'akatabo. Visa yaabwe nasasudde ensasula.
Emotoka. Ni wano buli kaseera bayitawo emotoka naziparkingira ne bazireka wa. Nga beeraga.
Ferrari ye.
Ndio ni watunuulira. Nina munyiivu.
Tasobola. Talisobola.
Sare. Atugubadde. Kiki?
Tamanyi Paris.
Ashitana kitegeera. Ena ndowooza abantu bajja bba bangi koze obudde sigamba nti waliwo omusana mungi. Kumbe nedda. Gye bali. Awo batundawo n'ensawo gye njagalawo.
Ewa.
Awo.
Temunnemesa kuyingira mu bifo.
Oyagala kuyingira?
Nyingirako n'endaba.
Zinga twayingidde mu gundi. Wa? Basi ndio we twayingira last time twayingira wa? Mu Dio.
Kati awo tundawo kyawo.
Nsawo. Waliwo ensawo gye njagala ya bitabo. Bali tunayemeka 150 euros. Boy, tunyongale tugala mu livi toyeri wasijukana. No, eri tesajinga cause bali constructinga. Ne last time we twayingira yali Dio. Yali chi. What do you twayingira last time boy?
What is it, Mas?
Yali mas. Okay. So abaninga batunubiranga nga babagamba bwa tugenda baba. Cause twali baduka twali ko ne bali mikwano jafa babendera la. Nali nyambadde bulungi. Nali twali tuyambadde bulungi fenna.
Ngamunyiridde.
Nga tunyirira.
Ngamu drippinga.
Of course. Lamano of course. Naye abaninga ne bajja nga batunda nga bagamba we mwina kye mugenda okutwala. Kumbe nedda. Tetwana kubabba.
Sorry, you guys were so close, so I couldn't catch it. But I can make a better one for you. If you guys want.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's really good.
How much?
How much can you pay?
10 euros, my friend. 10 euros for the video, 10 euros for the photo, all of them for 20. I can make you some photos, some videos.
No. Let's make 10 euros, photos,
Yep.
and the movement.
My friend, it's not possible, my brother.
No.
I can do for 15, one photo and one video, like this. You get 5 euros discount.
No.
No?
It's
It's down to you, my friend. You know, it's a business. I gotta eat, I gotta pay for my place. Living in Paris is not cheap, brother. You know how it is.
Good.
Living in Paris is not cheap.
Of course, my friend.
It's really good, though.
You know?
Yeah, it's really good.
I don't get so much money every day, bro. I make just enough to survive.
Okay, let's do this, eh?
Yeah.
I know it's business, eh?
Yeah.
Now, let me give you 10.
Yeah.
You give me a good video.
I can even throw in a photo, just one photo.
No, I don't want a photo.
You don't want a photo, just a video?
You're going to give me one photo? As a
No,
bonus?
Yes, it's a bonus photo.
Fine.
Just for you, bro.
Okay. Move again.
Together.
Together.
Attends.
Basigala ku kamera nga obadde ne mabega. Tegedde.
Okay.
Tugende batya. Attends.
Let's go.
Tambula nga bitwadde friend.
Yeah.
Tegedde.
Okay.
Kati saawa zino tugudde muwe ebifaananyi. Ate ebifaananyi anteze bulungi nganje Cruz boy. Let's do it, yeah?
Okay, I think let's go. Should we just... Okay.
So, second. So it really depends.
Yeah.
Obulamu bujja okunyuma.
Yeah.
Second.
Kituufu.
So you know, remember this way,
Take a look at this one, bro. Just 1 second. It's cool, huh?
Yeah, not bad actually.
I took a long video so you can cut clips from it and edit it, you know, how you want.
It looks good.
I know I can make you guys a photo as well. What are you guys doing? You guys vlogging something?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
okay.
Wow. And then you want a photo as well?
Yeah.
You want one just standing or whilst you're walking?
Walk.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Come.
Kankuba ebifaananyi.
Reka bamukube ebifaananyi. King. Bano bayitawo. Allez, dégagez-vous.
Mr. Celebrity, Mr. Worldwide.
Yeah, nnyo.
There you go, my brother. You can take a look on the iPad and you can choose. Okay. Which one is this one?
Kati no guno mulimu.
Yeah.
You get
Yeah.
imagine guy agamba akuba like bu video nga tewetegese nakusaba 10 euros.
Yeah.
10 euros emitwalo nga say satu mu something.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's
Na something. Singe satu mu something.
Yeah, like jidinganga mtolonga mukaga.
Mtolo nga mukaaga. Really?
Euro teweza kakaga. Weza kakaga.
Yeah, wagulu mu the dollar. Catch right now.
Pound ne euro kyekisinga obulungi.
A pound ya money nyo.
Pound ya money. Pound Uganda eri mu 14.
Yeah, euro ne dako.
Kitegeeza euro eringanga mu either nya flat oba 3 nga 8.
Yeah.
Kati bwekimanyi kano ka video kankutte atutte 3
My brother, if
jangu.
you like to take a look at your photos. You're focusing manually. Okay. What F is that? This.
Right now, it's a phone.
But is that the minimum? Oh, okay. Yeah, because I was gonna say
Oh, yeah, since
the ones with f2.8 are like massive. The lens.
this one is the best.
Right.
I have a mount for your
For my other lens? Yeah.
What for your
EF.
no, yeah, but
24 to 17. Not bad. It's not bad.
Anyway, since I saw to God, this is the best.
But yeah, bro, this is cool. I like this. It's perfect as well. You got the whole handle and everything. That's cool as fuck, bro.
I was thinking of putting it under mirror.
As you wish, my friend.
Ah, it's a senior me. It's a senior me.